All right, I'm going to show you how to make use of the Cite This button. Remember, a great place for sources for any paper, English, science, history, whatever, is the Alabama Virtual Library. And once there, you go to Student Resources, and then you go to Middle School, and all these various options show up. So let's say we click the History Reference Center, and then we search for atomic bomb, and we decide we want to use this source, the decision to use the atomic bomb. You're trying to figure out how to cite it. Make use of the cite button right here. Just click it, and then it's going to give you how to cite it in a bunch of different ways. And what you want to use for my class is you always want to use Chicago Turabian Humanities right here. Chicago Turabian Humanities. Right? And you can see it's put it in its bibliography entry for you. Right? Always double check it. Always read it, because sometimes it gets something wrong. Most of the time it's right, though. Even when it's wrong, it's going to get most of it right. So it's a great place to start. So just highlight it and copy it. And then when you're working on your bibliography page in Google Docs, if you just paste it, it's going to show up brown like that. And of course, you don't want that in your paper. The easy way to fix that is simply highlight it with your cursor. Go right here where it says text color. Click the drop down menu. Click highlight. And then click none right there. And then it makes the brown go away. Also, don't forget that whenever it's an option, you always want to use the permalink for a source. If there is no permalink, just use the regular web address. Whenever there's a permalink option, always click permalink, and that's what you want to copy and paste into your bibliography entry. And then remember, in the bibliography entry, the first line is normal and all the other lines are indented. If you ever have trouble with that, like if you put your cursor on the second line, hit tab, and the first line indents, if you ever have that issue, just put your cursor right at the second line, hit enter or return, and then hit tab, and then it's going to work. And on the line after that, you hit return, and it's going to go over just like it's supposed to and end every entry with a period.